Bible stories have persisted for millennia, providing inspiration and profound insights into the human condition. Their enduring impact arises from their capacity to address fundamental human experiences and moral inquiries. The story's ability to resonate across generations underscores their universal relevance and timeless wisdom. A significant challenge lies in making ancient narratives resonate with contemporary audiences. Modern viewers often lack familiarity with the historical and cultural context of ancient narratives. This lack of context hinders the ability to connect with ancient stories on a deeper level. Biblical narratives chronicle the lives of real people, facing authentic challenges and achieving genuine victories. These accounts are not simply historical records, but contain timeless truths that resonate across generations. Understanding the experiences of biblical figures allows for the discovery of enduring principles applicable to contemporary life. Resonant stories often mirror personal struggles, hopes, and fears. Bible stories offer a mirror to our lives. These stories remind us that we are not alone in our journeys. Vivid imagery is crucial for bringing stories to life and enhancing audience engagement. Descriptive language enables the audience to visualize scenes and characters within the narrative. Enhanced visualization fosters a stronger emotional connection between the audience and the story. Relatable characters are essential for compelling storytelling. Audience investment increases when they identify with characters' flaws, struggles, and motivations. Character identification fosters a deeper connection between the audience and the narrative. Establishing emotional connections is key to making Bible stories resonate with audiences. Tapping into the characters' emotions allows the audience to experience the story on a deeper level. Emotional resonance enhances understanding and creates a more profound connection to the narrative. The parable of the prodigal son embodies love, forgiveness, and redemption. The narrative explores the intricate dynamics of familial relationships. Reconciliation is presented as a potential outcome within family conflicts. The narrative of the prodigal son explores themes of departure, repentance, and forgiveness. The son's departure and squandering of his inheritance symbolize a loss of direction and moral compass. The son's return signifies humility and the acceptance of forgiveness. The prodigal son's journey mirrors the universal human experience of making mistakes. The narrative reflects the feeling of being lost and the search for direction. The story offers hope and reassurance that redemption is always possible. The narrative illustrates the possibility of returning home, regardless of the distance one has strayed. Home encompasses various forms, including family, community, and faith. The concept of home provides a sense of belonging and acceptance. The narrative emphasizes the unconditional love and forgiveness from a higher power. Acceptance is perpetually available, irrespective of one's past actions. Divine love offers a path to redemption, regardless of past mistakes. Effective Bible storytelling relies on establishing connections between the narrative and the audience. Connecting with characters involves understanding their motivations, challenges, and emotional journeys. Bible storytelling aims to reveal enduring truths embedded within the narratives. Vivid imagery enhances storytelling by creating memorable and engaging experiences for the audience. Relatable characters foster audience connection and emotional investment in the narrative. Emotional connections amplify the impact of stories, making them resonate deeply with audiences of all ages. Understanding the historical and cultural context is crucial for accurate interpretation of Bible stories. Researching the time period, customs, and social structures enhances comprehension of biblical narratives. Historical context provides a deeper, more meaningful engagement with religious texts. Awareness of cultural nuances prevents misinterpretations. Presenting stories respectfully and authentically requires cultural sensitivity. Sensitivity to cultural differences is paramount for accurate storytelling. Thorough research is essential for providing accurate and insightful commentary on Bible stories. Consulting historical sources deepens understanding of the context surrounding biblical narratives. Scholarly analyses provide diverse perspectives and interpretations of biblical texts. Adapting Bible stories for modern audiences requires using clear, accessible terminology. The core principle is to preserve the original meaning and intent while updating the language. Avoiding archaic language is essential for effective communication with contemporary readers. Visual aids, including maps, illustrations, and timelines, can enhance understanding of Bible stories. Visual representations provide additional context and clarity to complex narratives. Enhanced engagement with Bible stories can be achieved through the incorporation of visual elements. Interactive elements, such as sessions, promote active audience participation. Group discussions can enhance learning through collaborative exploration of ideas. Role-playing exercises foster deeper learning through practical application of knowledge. Approaching Bible stories requires respect for diverse beliefs and perspectives. Sensitivity is essential when discussing religious narratives to avoid causing offense. Inclusivity creates a welcoming environment for all individuals, regardless of their background. Avoiding dogmatic interpretations encourages critical thinking. Promoting open dialogue fosters a deeper appreciation for the complexities of narratives. Discussion is encouraged to facilitate a comprehensive understanding. Effective Bible storytelling can inspire positive action and promote personal growth. Stories can motivate individuals to make a difference in their communities. Storytelling's impact extends globally, inspiring action on a worldwide scale. The storyteller's role is to guide the audience through a narrative. Effective storytelling facilitates understanding and reflection. Storytellers should guide, not preach or impose personal beliefs. Encouraging ongoing discussion of Bible stories promotes deeper understanding. Continuous exploration of Bible stories fosters appreciation for their enduring relevance. Learning about Bible stories is a continuous process.